Hey guys, Cam here from Pocket-lint, and Samsung is well known for loading its own software full of features on Android. That's never been more true than with the S9 and S9 Plus, so let's take a dive into some of the things worth getting accustomed to, and others that you might not find right away. But first, a special thanks to EE for sending us these phones. Be sure to check out their deals in the link below in the description box. Now, number one is swiping down anywhere for notifications. By default, when you swipe down on the home screen, you go to your app drawer. However, if you long press the wallpaper, then choose home screen settings, you can tap the toggle on quick open notification panel. Now when you swipe on your home screen, you quickly get to your notifications. Number two is installing dual messenger apps. Like some other Android phones of late, you can install two versions of the same app. This is really useful if you have both personal and business accounts for certain messengers. The easiest way to activate it is to head to settings and then search for dual messenger, or go to advanced settings. Tap on the setting and any supported apps will appear in a list with toggles next to them. Choose whichever app you want and it'll immediately clone that app. Next up is the landscape homepage. One of the new software features with the S9 is the ability to have your home screen work in landscape mode. To enable it, long press the home screen and go to home screen settings. Now deactivate the portrait mode only toggle, and when you rotate your phone on the home screen, it goes landscape. Number 4 is separating Bluetooth music from phone sounds. With the S9, when you pair with a Bluetooth speaker or earphones, you can set it so that only the music goes through the speaker and the rest of your alerts and sounds keep playing through the phone loudspeaker. Connect to your speaker, then go to Settings, Sounds and Vibration, Separate App Sound. Then choose the app you want to separate. Next up is enabling and controlling Dolby Atmos. Just head to the Quick Settings tile and tap the icon to switch it on. But you can also go to Settings, Sounds and Vibration, and then Sound Quality and Effects. Here you can customize it a little, selecting auto, movie, music or voice depending on how you want it tuned. You can also use the equalizer to control things with more precision. Number 6 is enabling full screen resolution. By default, the S9 has its resolution set to Full HD+. To enable its full resolution, head to Settings, Display, then Screen Resolution. Now choose the Quad HD+ option from the list, and it'll be running at its sharpest possible resolution. Number 7 is enabling edge lighting. Like older Galaxy phones, there's an edge screen, and you can have it light up when you receive a call or a message. Head to Settings, Display, Edge Screen and Edge Lighting. Here you can choose what style of lighting you want and which apps it will notify you about. So if your phone is regularly face down, you'll still see important notifications. Next up is enabling Wi-Fi calling. If you're on a network or carrier that supports Wi-Fi calling like EE does, head to the phone app, open the settings menu by pressing the 3 little dots in the top, then scroll down to Wi-Fi calling. Toggle it on. Now all your calls and texts will be made over Wi-Fi. Number 9 is changing your home screen grid size. If you're not happy with the number of apps on your home screen, head back to the home screen settings and choose Home Screen Grid. You now have 3 additional grid layouts to choose from. Number 10 is adding the Apps button. If you miss having a button to launch your app drawer, you can add one. Stay in your home screen settings and choose Apps button. Now you can select to show it and have it permanently in the dock on your home screen. Number 11 is removing the navigation keys. By default, you have your home, back and recent app keys in a little dock at the bottom of the screen. To hide it and have it only come up when you swipe it up, double tap the little dot on the left. Then just skip through the next few screens that appear. You can bring it up again when you want, or just double tap that dot and have it stay there permanently. Samsung has a feature called Video Enhancer, which does what the name suggests, improving the image quality of videos, making them brighter and more vivid in any video app. To turn it on, head to Settings, Advanced Features and toggle Video Enhancer on. Number 13 is adding or removing camera shooting modes. Now Samsung gives you a lot of camera options, but you can declutter and organize to your heart's content. Open the camera, hit the little settings cog and choose Edit Camera Modes. Now you can select, remove and change the order of what appears, including shooting in regular slow-mo mode that shoots a slower frame rate but at a higher resolution than super slow-mo. Next up is using the camera shutter button to zoom in and out. It's cool and easy. All you have to do is drag the shutter button up and down to smoothly zoom in and out in the camera app. Last but not least is changing the recent apps view. If you'd rather have a long list of recent apps, open the recent apps view, tap the 3 dots in the corner. Now choose list view and it changes the appearance. Of course, there are many other tips and things to try. Many of them are listed in our full written guide, which I'll leave a link to below in the description box. I've been Cam. I'm at Cam Bunton on all the important social media networks. Be sure to subscribe and give a thumbs up if you like this video, and I'll see you again soon.